Exercise 4.2, question number 1, first part. Today we will learn construct quadrilaterals when two diagonals and three sides are given. Here, construct a quadrilateral LIFT. Lift, you have given LI 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, LF 4.5 cm and IT 4 cm. So again, first of all, we will draw a rough figure so that we can get clear idea or visualize the quadrilateral clearly, and name it LIFT. Then mark the measurements: LI 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, LF, this diagonal, 4.5 cm and IT, this one, 4 cm. You can draw rough figure with the help of scale or without scale, it doesn't matter. Again students, here look, we are having here two triangles, triangle LIT, and I know all the three sides of this triangle: LI 4 cm, LT 2.5 cm and IT 4 cm. So we can construct this triangle easily by using SSS construction. And after that, I'll construct LIF, where LI 4, IF 3 and LF 4.5. So first of all, I'll construct LI. Draw the line segment LI 4 cm. It's 0 here. Mark 4. Draw the line segment L, and this is I, and it's 4 cm. Now from the rough figure, look, point T is 2.5 cm away from L. So what we will do, with the help of compass, measure it 2.5. This is 2.5. With L as the center and radius 2.5 cm, draw an arc. Then point T is 4 cm away from I. So measure it 4 cm. Then with I as the center and radius 4 cm, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc and name this point T. Now next step, join LT and join IT. Clear? So in this way, we construct a triangle LIT. Now next step, F is 4.5 cm away from L. It's 4.5 with L as the center. Draw an arc of 4.5 cm because point F is somewhere at this arc. Now F is 3 cm away from I. So with the help of compass, it's 3 cm. With I as the center and radius 3 cm, draw another arc because we have to locate point F, and point F is somewhere on this arc. So with I as the center, radius 3 cm, draw another arc which intersect the arc of previous step at point F. Join IF. Now join LF. So you construct in this way another triangle LIF. But we have to complete this quadrilateral LIFT. So join this FT. Because here we have all the 4 point LIFT. Join FT. And most important, write here all these measurement. IF 3 centimeter, LT 2.5 centimeter, LF 4.5 centimeter, and this IT 4 centimeter. In this way, the figure drawn here, LIFT, this figure is our required quadrilateral. And how can you write the steps of construction? Step 1, it's like a revision. What you did, draw LI 4 centimeter. Step 2, with L as the center and radius 2.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Step 3, with I as the center and radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at point P. Step 4, join LT and join IT. Step 5, with L as the center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Step 6, with I as the center and radius 3 centimeter, draw an arc which cut the arc of previous step at point F. Step 7, join LF and join IF. Step 8, join TF, and last step LIFT is your required quadrilateral. Clear?